Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and I hope everybody is doing a good time. So, ngayon po is pupunta tayo sa Christmas craft sale. So, this happens every year in December before Christmas para makapili po tayo kung anong mabibili natin na for gift na pasok sa ating budget since lahat ng mga bilihin is mahal na. So, let's go guys, samahan nyo ako and titignan natin kung anong mabibili natin. So this is the craft sale and there's more inside that gym. That's cute. Okay, we're here. This is the craft sale. They have mitten clips here. They're so cute. And it's $5. Book covers here too. That's how it looks. It's $10 for the book covers.
And the little gnomes.
Oh, look at this for the Christmas tree.
Well, yeah, you can.
It's so cute. There's a lot of treats here. So there, you can pick which one you want. Here they have like baby blankets and they're so soft, really soft.
I'll actually
Like
show
this
you
one.
this one. It's a large receiving
yeah.
blanket. Yeah.
So nice. Everything is so nice here. You should come. Look, this is like baby blankets, and they have like fur keys. And these are all handmade. And these are their price list here. It's like nice for Christmas gifts. There's a rug. And there's like a basket holder. Just for candy. And a Christmas tree. And look at this, it's a nice cutting board and it's solid hardwood, so it's $20. Look. Cool. And they have a wine holder here.
I like this one
this
because
too?
it's got that little bit of texture.
They have
on it.
dishcloths.
They both.
I found something cool here. They're like microwave bowl holders. And these are the towel here. And these are all handmade, right?
Yes, I made them.
Yeah, and
made
then
all of
see, these are, you can put it in the microwave. So, and then she said you can also wash it. There, wow. They have, it has a lot of design here. Ooh. Found something cool here. These are air plants. It's air plant and there's no water. Oh. This one. These are the tiny ones. They're cute. So this is $15. It's an air plant. And they have nice slippers here.
These particular ones are $30.
And these are all handmade. It's a rabbit fur.
Yep.
Yes, this one. Cool. There's like a Jet's slippers. And they
So
also
as
have
you say, if you are interested, you can take your name and then order your pair, or you can
you
contact.
can make custom.
We have a
I found some good honey here, and then I'm getting the turmeric. And Here's the prices. And these are all local?
All local.
So these are all local. They have different flavors here. And the prices. And they have big ones here. There's cinnamon. What's this other one here?
Cream delight, and these are false honey and summer honey.
Oh, sweet makers. There's more here. They're so pretty. And these are all in Winnipeg. These are all in Winnipeg, right? Yeah.
I'm also on Instagram, so
Wow.
want to see more.
And these are all local. They're cute. She also makes cards here. Shopping is over and let's check what I bought for the Christmas craft sale. So I bought, this is a chopping board. It's a hardwood chopping board. And it looks so nice. Ayan siya, oh, good for my veggie. Because I like to slice my veggies. And this is handmade with love. Ayan siya. And this is $20. And let's see what else is inside my bag. Oh, ito siya. It's what is this? Microwave bowl handle. So, this can go in the microwave para pag ilabas nyo yung bowl is hindi mapapaso yung kamay. And this is also good for if you wanna eat popcorn or whatever bread. So, this is handmade and it's $7. And what else is in my mystery bag? Okay, I bought this is turmeric honey, creamed honey. And this is local. So what's inside is there's cream turmeric, black pepper, and ginger honey. I like this because it has turmeric and it's good for tea. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy!